She has been such an inspiration to me. The stories she tells are endless, and her dancing, her love of Mustang Sally, and her signature move is amazing.
Well, she had mentioned it to me a couple of times that she always wanted to ride on a motorcycle. So Sheila and I were heading up to Orlando together and got to talking about motorcycles. And I said, oh, that's on Frances's bucket list. She said, well, I think I might be able to arrange that. So Sheila did, and then we decided to make a big deal out of it.
Wonderful. Yeah, I have so many wonderful friends and so many people, and it's wonderful to be here at Gulf Coast. I'm a happy camper. I'm ready to do just about anything, and I love these people here. I love all of you all.
And the next thing on her bucket list is jumping out of the plane.
Wonderful. Thank you all. I cannot thank you enough for what this means to me. I'm telling you, all these wonderful people out here.